It looks easier than it is. You can see the nuts and they look like it's really easy to reach them through that big hole, but his beak doesn't fit, so he's going to have to run around and figure out which way to attack the box and how to bite the wood off to get to the nut. But it's very motivating because you can see it so easily, and it's so easy to break the wood off that he thinks he's going to be able to get it. Truman's getting so carried away. He's running around trying all the different holes instead of paying attention, slowly, patiently working on one of them. Originally, I gave Truman a medium difficulty foraging box, the standard normal kind, but not being the brightest bulb on the tree that he is, he didn't really realize there was treats inside and didn't want to do it, so it hung in his cage for a while and he just wouldn't even try. So I had to downgrade him to the easy version, and then as soon as he saw that there's food inside, he's going crazy for it and can't stop. After he does this one, I should be able to give him the medium one again, and then it would be a more reasonable challenge for a bird with the beak of its size. You can get a foraging box at parrotwizard.com. They come in 3 different difficulty levels. The standard one is a medium difficulty for most parrots, but there's also this version with the bigger holes, which is the training box, so that the bird can see the treats more easily and get started. And there's also a more difficult version with fewer holes that'll keep a big chewer or a big bird like a macaw busy as well. So go ahead and give your parrot the special natural foraging experience with Parrot Wizard's Natural Foraging Box, available at parrotwizard.com.